After 60 years of remaining steadfast and growing the brand in the country, manufacturing and distributing automobiles well loved by Filipinos, Mitsubishi Motors promises to continue rolling out locally assembled vehicles out of its factory in Santa Rosa, Laguna. This promise was made by Takao Kato, President and CEO of Mitsubishi Motors Corporation of Japan, who was the special guest during the 60th anniversary celebration held by Mitsubishi Motors Philippines Corporation.
The Philippines has been always and will be one of the most important markets for Mitsubishi Motors. I am proud that MMPC is the only car manufacturer which has never left the country, even during the economic crisis, and contributed to the economic development of this country. Through our manufacturing and sales operation, we will continue to contribute to such development, including transfer of technology, human resources, and creation of jobs in the country. Again, our commitment to the Philippines will remain unchanged for the future.
At the celebration, MMPC President and CEO Takeshi Hara highlighted how Mitsubishi grew and fostered brand loyalty in generations of families over 6 decades with the introduction of vehicles that appealed to Filipinos, from the Lancer, Galant, and Pajero to the iconic L300, Space Wagon, and the Adventure. Mitsubishi expects to continue growing the brand with trendy and class-leading vehicles like the Mirage, Mirage G4, Strada, Expander, Montero Sport, and Outlander PHEV, and enhancing the car ownership experience as well as making life better for Filipinos.
While also furthering the growth of the economy, we are indeed living up to our slogan, our local slogan, right made better for Filipinos. Let's make our customers right better with our new brand statement. Mitsubishi is committed to offer a wonderful car ride experience to Filipino customers through continuous pursuit of innovation that will ignite the passion of all Filipinos.
Also during the celebration, local suppliers led by Mitsubishi Suppliers Association President Edwin Gallo were heartened by Mitsubishi's commitment to continue rolling out vehicles at Santa Rosa.
MMPC and suppliers had forged a strong partnership, not just a customer-supplier relationship, but a partnership that grew strong every year and every challenges that comes along our way. Our industry, the automotive industry, had experienced almost everything. We had our downs and we have also our ups in the last 60 years. But this will not stop here. We are looking forward what lies ahead. Our partnership will go strong and go a long way.
Speaking at the celebration, Santa Rosa City Mayor Arlene Arcila lauded and Mitsubishi Motors for being a partner for progress of the city and the country.
Truly, MMPC has been an active partner in the progress of the city since day one, and of course on your 60th year, partner of the whole country in our economic development.